So, let's start this amazing journey. There is one important thing for you all. Keep your head back when we drive. Your head. The round thing between your shoulders. Young man, head back. Okay, jetzt noch. When the shoe begins to fall. Danke, soll den zweiten Ausgleich ausziehen. Wie schafft man das? You're eine Prinzessin. Dude, it was the warm-up. The next one is fast and higher, full power. So, round number 3, special round. Legs up, arms out to the front. If you hold it until to the top of the tower, we drive for more. Do your best. So, great performance! It means one more for you! And back, and jump! Tell me why.